Beautiful day, January, 70 degrees. Okay, we got a front house, and then we also have a back house. Hang on, I gotta open this. Ugh. And the front house is basically vacant. Nobody lives in it. They use it as an office. The owner uses it as an office. Ugh. And that means he's not here that often, and apparently they haven't been here for a couple months. But I came over here last week to look at a sewer issue at this back house here, and we didn't find any issues with the sewer up until about 90 feet, and I couldn't push it any further, and I couldn't tell what it was, so we came up front here to the front house and crawled around in the crawl space and found something quite surprising. Actually, it's really not that surprising. The owner was saying that this sewer is original to the building, so 100 years old. Let me put on my little crawl suit and I'll show you what's going on. It's really amazing to me that they just now started having issues. But this sewer feeds the back house and the front house. And look at that. It is just insane. And up here as well, it's kind of rotted out. So, what we're gonna do is come back here to this. There's a little no hub band right there. And we're gonna take that off. We're gonna cut this. This is 3-inch. It's a 3x4Y. And it's all wet here too. It's gross, man. This is a bad one. This is really bad. So, all right. Los and Edgar are coming right now. I just got here early. I like to get here early and kind of start. All right, I got that cast iron sewer out of there. I got the Y lined up. But as I was gluing this, I looked over and saw another no-hub band, Fernco. And then I saw a little crack in the ground. That is more cast iron, my friend. Oh boy. All right, we're behind the ductwork. And this thing is completely rotted out. Completely rotted out. Okay, check this out. This is interesting. Look at all the space. That's a 3-inch cast iron no-hub band by ABS. And look at all that space right there. That's tripping me out. I got to looking at this. I don't think this is your standard 3-inch cast iron. I think this must be some kind of, it's 100% not 2-inch. That is really tripping me out. Huh. I'm gonna have to use a whatchamacallit. Well, anyway, I got all that lined up. It's all glued in. I got my 10-footer down there. I'm gonna dig out the trench just a little bit. I got that section out. We were working down there. I got this whole section out, and unfortunately there's nowhere in here in the crawl space that we can tie on. That is the opening to the sewer. I'm gonna camera it and locate it, and you know, we're just gonna have to dig it up outside, 2-way clean out, the usual. We got the camera in the drain, and 19 feet. That's including the distance from the camera to there. 19 feet transitions from this old cast iron to ABS. So what that means is this guy is really lucky. But we're gonna dig this up out front, and then put a 2-way clean out. And we're Los and Edgar digging it out back there as we speak. So we're just basically replacing this whole house line is what we're doing up to this ABS. Okay, we got, you can see the little footsies there digging. We're digging out front. We got this dug out. It's under the foundation. And then I kind of dug out a little trench here. And then regarding the stuff back there, I don't want to crawl back over there, but basically it was just as bad as all the stuff that I showed you earlier. And the back house ties in where that Y is right here. I don't know if you can see that Y right there, but that's where the back house ties in, and it's all ABS. So we talked to the owner, and apparently he's going to be remodeling this place. So he said they won't use that bathroom for now, and they'll just use this one. And then in 6 months we'll do it. So I'm cool with that. Works for me. So I'm about to go to Fergie's or Hirsch, whatever's closer, and we're gonna get a two-way clean out. I'm gonna get a couple more sticks of pipe, or not a two. I'm gonna get combis and do that. But that's it for now. All right. Where's the oh, nice. So there's already a clean out right there. Well, that's nice. All right. In that case,
Probably gonna be a little closer to it.
yeah, it's probably gonna be right. It's for sure gonna be right in line with that.
Open it up a little bit more.
So I mean, if they have a clean out, then I'll just go get some more pipe,
Sounds good.
and then we'll just yeah.
Yeah, because you got the test tee underneath there.
Yeah, exactly.
So we can do both.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah,
Okay, so we are through. And now we just gotta put the pipe. All right. You want to send the do you have the Sawzall? Okay. So, this ended up being a cast iron Santee, actually. So, Rich is going to get a 4-inch ABS combi. We will reuse this. And then just gonna tie it in, and that's it. And with that, wraps up the 2024 season of American Idol. You don't have to laugh if it's not funny. You don't have to laugh to appease me. We're in 2025, just FYI. All right, there you go. That's it. That's it.